everybody. Thank you so much for coming to the Chromatica ball, and we really tried to finish the show tonight in Miami, but we couldn't, because even when the rain sort of stopped, there was lightning that was striking right down to the ground, so close to us. And look, I know that for a really long time I've always wanted to be like that hardcore bad bitch, but what I really want is to also be responsible and loving. And I don't know what I would do if anything happened to anybody in the audience or to any member of my crew, my band, my dancers. So I'm sorry that we didn't get to, do the epic performance of Rain on Me in the Rain, but what's more worth it to me is life. And whoever threw these to me on stage, I will cherish them forever. It took so much in my heart to get back to a place where I could perform and be healthy. And I hope you know that part of why I decided not to finish the show was because I am healthy, and it's a healthy decision for all of you and for myself as well. So I love you. And yes, I'd rather it be dry, but we're all alive, so go home and be safe. And I'll see you the next time I'm on stage. And until then, Chromatica will never be over, because Chromatica is about healing. And Chromatica is about knowing that you're enough. And I feel like enough tonight, even though I didn't get to finish. I really feel like enough. So thank you for giving me that. I love you. Bye.